Welcome back. In the previous step, we worked out how to simplify an expression like this one on the screen. Let's recap a few terms that we learnt. Simplify. When I talk about simplifying an expression, I'm looking at the expression on the left-hand side and I'm reducing it to something smaller. We also looked at the word term, which is a way of referring to each of the individual components in this expression. So 4x is a term, 2x, x, 5x are terms, and 12x is a term. We also looked at the invisible 1. Notice that the third term has only just got x, not 1x. And that's a style thing. We could write 1x, but normally we don't. And finally, another element of style. Almost always, when we multiply, we don't write the multiply sign in algebra. So the 12x as our answer is also the same as saying 12 times x. So now instead of adding the 5x term, I'm going to subtract the 5x term. It doesn't make things much more difficult. We're going to read it from left to right. 2x plus 4x, 6x, plus x, 7. Now take away 5x. 7x take away 5x, that's 2x. These subtraction signs could appear anywhere in the expression. So look at this one. 2x take away 4. We've got to do some negatives. That's negative 2x plus x, that's negative x. Subtract another 5x. So the final result is negative 6x. So for step 3b, you're going to have to be good with your adding and subtracting positive and negative numbers. This skill will be used in this unit. Sometimes we can even see a minus sign or a negative sign, depending how you want to think of it, right at the front of the expression. And again, read it left to right like a sentence. Negative 2x plus 4x, that's positive 2x. Plus x is positive 3x. Take away 5x, that's negative 2x. A very important part of working with negative and subtraction is to subtract the correct terms. When we have many subtraction signs, it helps to see the subtraction sign as belonging to the term. So this one is 8a take away 2a, 6, plus 1a, 7, take away 2, that's 2a. This approach is particularly going to help when we have a negative at the front. So negative 2b, take away b, that's negative 3b, plus 10b, so now I'm at 7, take away 3b, so now I'm at 4b. Do you notice I'm reading these expressions as a sentence running from left to right? 8a, take away 2a, plus a, minus 5a. So it's time to do some problems. As always, pick the difficulty level that you would like. The 1 yak are the easiest questions, and the 3 yaks are slightly harder questions. So pop the video on pause and do 6 of these in your book. So here are the answers. Hit the pause button and mark them. Something that you may have noticed is there is another way to think about these expressions. I actually think of these expressions like this. So there's no subtraction happening, it's all addition. The difference is I'm adding negative numbers. The benefit of this approach is that I can do them in any order that I want. I could, for example, add the 8a and the a to get 9a, and take away, I can see very quickly, 7a. So viewing the expression this way makes it easier to manipulate. So this is a really important idea, that the sign in front of the term belongs to the term. In step 4, we're going to be looking at a very important concept of substitution. See you in step 4.